What if batteries no longer had to be physically connected to recharge? What if a drone could remain airborne far longer? A sensor could operate for months without a battery replacement? A robot could recharge while moving? Or a satellite could receive power without a physical connection? That future isn't science fiction. It's the future MaxWave is helping build. For more than a century, electricity has depended on one thing: wires. Whether it's a charging cable, a power cord, or miles of copper infrastructure, nearly every electrical system on Earth still relies on physical connections. But the environments where our military, aerospace companies, and advanced industries operate are changing. Operations are becoming more autonomous, platforms are becoming more mobile, systems are becoming increasingly distributed, and wires are becoming a limitation. MaxWave is developing a new approach to power delivery through advanced millimeter wave wireless power beaming. Electrical energy is converted into precisely directed electromagnetic energy, transmitted through free space, and converted back into usable electrical power at the receiving platform. Today, our architecture is demonstrating projected end-to-end efficiencies in the range of approximately 40 to 50%. This isn't designed to replace every wired connection. It's designed to solve the missions where wires simply cannot. Imagine the possibilities on land. Remote military sensors operating in contested environments, border security systems, autonomous ground vehicles, robotics inside hazardous facilities. At sea, uncrewed surface vessels, maritime surveillance systems, naval logistics operations requiring flexible power without exposed physical connectors. In the air, long-endurance unmanned aircraft, persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platforms, airborne communications relays, high-altitude platforms supporting defense and commercial communications, and in space, small satellites, distributed satellite constellations, future lunar infrastructure, autonomous spacecraft, on-orbit servicing. Power can be delivered more intelligently across complex space systems. The opportunity extends far beyond defense, industrial automation, critical infrastructure, energy, mining, transportation, disaster response, smart cities, autonomous manufacturing, artificial intelligence, data centers. Wireless power creates value where mobility is key. But technology alone doesn't change the world. Partnerships do. At MaxWave, we recognize the decades of experience defense and aerospace companies bring. Our vision is not to compete with those organizations. Our vision is to work alongside them. We're actively seeking strategic partnerships to integrate MaxWave into the next generation of platforms. Together, we can accelerate innovation, reduce constraints, and create capabilities that don't exist today. So, the future battlefield will demand greater autonomy. The future aerospace industry will demand greater endurance. The question isn't whether wireless power will become part of that future. The question is who will lead it. At MaxWave, we intend to help answer that question. We invite you to join us, because the next revolution won't just change how we communicate, it will change how we deliver power itself. MaxWave, power without boundaries.